a plow truck like evening till night, but it turned out it has been snowing a lot sooner than expected, so yeah, it became a morning drive instead of a night drive, and it is so cold. My fingers are so cold. I forgot my gloves at home, sadly. Maybe I can borrow some. I'm gonna be riding on the side today because it turns out when you are riding a plow truck, you get a spontaneous phone call like, drive now, it is snowing now, you have to go, you have to be prepared. And it turns out this truck is the one that is gonna be plowing a special route. We have connected the plow front and side on the Scania I was driving last time, so it's a lot of stuff to remember. It's not just reverse to a loading zone and open a hatch and a forklift unloads you. It's a very different kind of drive. So I'm gonna be riding along soon. I'm waiting for the boss to come back, and he's gonna show me how to plow roads, and it's gonna be very fun. I hope it all goes well.
Det här är inte prio ännu, men när den håller på. Det är bara för belysningen på rodet. Sen får man ju starta här. Sen har man ju den här nere nu då. Blåsugn. Kolla på skruven här nere. Det är fan konstigt att allting åker upp. Det kan man ju om man trycker ner nu istället. Då trycker man ner plogen lite grann. Då åker den här uppe som inte sitter fast.
Ja.
Så nu kan jag ju försöka rulla någorlunda rakt fram igen. Nu vi istället då. Jag får höja bilen lite. Nu hänger ju på bygeln där.
Ja.
Nu låser vi. Så. Nu drar vi med andra bilen.
Ja. Hey boy, it's Cassie here. Today I am sitting on the side in a plow truck. It is a Volvo. I'm gonna learn how to ride a plow truck, hopefully drive one as well. I'm gonna be the co-driver today and just tag along and see how everything works, because it seems like it's a lot of stuff to learn on this kind of drive. So yeah, I'm nervous. It is raining, almost snow rain kinda, and it's so cold. Heck.
Ja, det var ju så för Marcus där man skulle hjälpa till med plogningen. Jag har ingen, ungefär så man kollar om jag har någon annan bil. Men alla våra bilar går till det. Marcus är också roligt för att ska börja varje tid. Så följer det massa.
Okay, so I have been riding along in 2 different trucks today. I have been shown both how to salt the roads and how to plow them. And both got called out to do some more salting, so he left me with the Scania truck. Like, oh, you know how it works, you can do it now. So I am plowing the E4 among with, I think it's 2 other trucks right now. Try to help each other out, and like if one truck plows the left lane, the other one takes the right one, so that we remove as much snow as possible from the roads. And also doing some salts, meanwhile the plowing. Driving a plow truck, you drive between 35 and 40 kilometers per hour. You don't want to go faster than 45 maximum, and you don't want to go lower than 30 either, because you want something to happen. You want the snow to actually move. So, and it is 4 in the afternoon right now, and I asked, so how long am I gonna be plowing today? And he said, yeah, until it stops snowing. So nobody knows. This kind of drive is an important thing for society, so you don't have to worry about break hours and stuff like that, so you can work like long hours. I'm just hoping I'm gonna get home at a decent hour today. I may be plowing the rest of the weekend as well, depending on if it's gonna snow or not. But yeah, why not? And yeah, it feels pretty good. I think you have to remember, like, if you're gonna stop, park the vehicle, always put the plows down in the ground. If you're gonna reverse, always have them up in the air. What else? The radio has been crazy. Apparently north of Stockholm there has been an accident with about 20 vehicles or something. So I don't know. But we're all doing the best we can to remove the snow from the roads, and yeah, people drive like crazy. There was one car that was laying behind me, and he was speeding past like, oh god, damn plow truck being so slow, and he was speeding past me, and I was gonna exit the highway, and he was like, finally I can pass, and then he saw the snow that was before me, and he started drifting on the highway like back and forth, but he got control over it in the end. So but still, freaking take it easy, humans out there. So yeah, first time driving a plow truck. Feels weird. I never thought I would drive a truck like this, but here we are. It feels good that it is the same truck I've been driving before, at least. So it's something. It's something. Hopefully it's gonna go well, and yeah, I'm gonna be driving back and forth to the same route until they're like, yeah, it's probably chill now. It has stopped snowing and the roads are fairly clear. So yeah. Yeah, this day took an interesting turn. There has happened some kind of accident on the highway. There's a tow truck in front of that car, and he can't get through to the accident because it's so stacked on cars and trucks. And yeah, I'm on my way home right now. This day turned way longer than I expected, and I'm so tired. I just want to go home and sleep. I went up at 4 in the morning, and I was not prepared for this amount of work today. Since it has been snowing, and the plow trucks, you know, they live on snow, so it is a lot to do. And but I got switched off, and I was gonna roll home, and yeah, suddenly this happened. So we'll see when I get home. I'm actually gonna be called out again, maybe during the night. So I just wanna go home, get some sleep, and I'm gonna be prepared for a phone call where I need to get up and get ready to drive again. It has gone pretty good though, the plowing itself. Yeah, more intense than I thought, like long days. Definitely. You can basically plow all day and all nights if needed. So yeah, I guess it's fine if you're prepared for it, but I just wasn't this time. So I'll maybe drive more in the weekend also, and then it's gonna be a pretty chill week upcoming. So I just hope no one got hurt in this accident, and it seems like I see blue lights in front. So yeah, accidents happen, and yeah, it is slippery. So just I don't know. Apparently, Mercedes truck and taxi all have crashed together up in the front. And yeah, the tow truck can't get through. So we'll see. I just hope to get some sleep. And of course, I hope no one got hurt, and I hope traffic can move pretty soon again, for everyone's sake. Yeah, I'm really tired and like hungry, and my head is like overwhelmed from all the impressions from today. I don't know what it is. I think my brain gets so easily overloaded, like most other people can. Like a normal day is like not tiring for most people, but I get so tired in my head after an intense day with not lots of new stuff, and I just know it's gonna be better if I get home and get some sleep, or when I get home and get some sleep. So that's what happened. We'll see when I have time to edit videos of this material, but we'll see. Yeah, it's apparently gonna be snowing a lot more, so just now more than ever, freaking stay safe out there, guys. Thank you for watching.